guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at some beautiful, beautiful pieces of art. I have two House of Sillage lipstick bows that I'd like to unbox and share with all of you, share the details, share the prices because there is a sale going on right now. If you're interested in hearing all about my House of Sillage lipstick bows, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so thank you so much for clicking on my video. This video has kind of been a long time coming because I did receive these lipstick cases as gifts quite a while ago. I wanted to really take my time to learn about the formula to make sure that I brought all the details to you because I've never tried House of Sillage before. So I wanted to make sure that I was thorough. Also, you know, just show you, unbox it with you. I've never used the lipsticks before, so this will be a first impressions on the actual formula, but I'll also want to show you, the presentation of it, what they say about each bow. There's a couple really cool things happening this week. So right now, House of Sillage is having a 30% off on pretty much on the entire site, if I'm not mistaken. I'll link everything down below that I'm talking about today and then just the site as well. Please know that when you click on those links, they are affiliate links and they do help support my channel, but I appreciate it if you're interested in checking these out. But also, Christmas Day, Wonder Woman 1984 is actually releasing in theaters. So I thought, how fun to do that. Like, you guys know that I'm a mom of boys. So the action movies, the superhero movies, like that's always a thing in my house. So I thought it would be fun to unbox and to also share with you. So we're definitely going to be looking at this one here. We will also be looking at my other lipstick bow. This was a very special gift and I want to show that with you guys all today. We're going to go ahead and get started with this one. I will share all the details. We're going to go ahead and start with this one. Now, both bows are part of the limited edition lipstick bows that are on the House of Sillage website. So I do want to point that out. I'm looking at the site today. Today is Christmas Eve. They are all 30% off. So just want to share that. This one is, you're going to see it and you're going to be like, yeah, duh, yaddy, duh. Because if you have been watching me for a minute, what you know that my favorite color is green. So this one is not going to be a shocker to you. This one is called the Whispers of Guidance Bow. And let me just show you how it comes. So first of all, you get it in a little lipstick case. It feels like it's a hardcover case, almost like, felt or velvet. It has the House of Sillage there. Then you open it up and it comes in a little pouch. So I do love like all of the attention that is given to the safety of the product before you receive it. So you get it in this little pouch here. When you pull it out, oh my gosh, you guys, I just died when I opened this. It was so much more than I expected, even after looking at the pictures online. But this is the bow. It is just exquisite. I am so excited to have this. Now, this is the green bow, and I want to share a little bit about what the green bow is all about. Whispers of Guidance Bow Lipstick case is inspired by the gratitude of those who give us direction. The rich green enamel, enameled with precious gold accents, pays homage to the aromatic patchouli notes from the Whispers of Guidance perfume, and evokes that feeling of calmness and wisdom. Each bow is embellished with brilliant diamond-cut Swarovski crystals and hand-polished to perfection by artisanal experts as the perfect beauty accessory to guide you through life's endless adventures. So pretty. So I received it as a gift, and when I opened it, there was no lipstick. I want to just point that out because, to somebody that hasn't navigated through the site before, it doesn't clearly spell it out that there's no lipstick included with the case. So on the website, as far as you can tell, sometimes it's unclear because the only thing it says about the actual lipstick is that it says, refillable with your favorite House of Sillage lipstick. So it doesn't say that the lipstick is not included. So minor detail, but it might matter when you're on the site buying these. So it does not come with a lipstick. Well, right around the time that I received that gift, what I also noticed is that House of Sillage was releasing a nudes collection. It's a new nudes collection. So I'm a nude lover when it comes to lipstick, so I definitely wanted to pick one of those up. The shade that I picked up is the Bombshell. okay? And I thought it was just so beautiful and I wanted to check it out. So this retails for $30. This is also 30% off as far as I could tell on the website. And it comes in a bullet like this. What you do is you open it up and then it comes with a plastic cover and you just pop it out of this compartment here, which is what keeps it safe. And then what you're going to do is if you look at the House of Sillage bow, this actually has House of Sillage written around. That's the side that your lipstick is gonna go into. And you just pop it in there. You pop it in, you hear a click, and it's secured, and then you remove the plastic cover. Then it uncovers the lipstick, which is right there. So, so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and demo this color for you, and then we'll get into the Wonder Woman lipstick bow. Let me bring you in a little closer so you can see it. And here is the bombshell on my medium skin. This is a gorgeous color, you guys. It feels so balmy. Oh, it feels so good. I love it. I absolutely love that color on me. I think it looks really, really great. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that shut tight. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful lipstick case, beautiful lipstick. Another thing that I want to share about the actual formula of the lipstick. It feels so, so balmy, so creamy. Although it's a nude color, it shows opacity right away. I'm loving it so much. Now, something that's unique about the House of Sillage lipstick formula is that it does come infused with diamond powder. Now, what the diamond powder does in a lipstick formula is it actually exfoliates the lips to keep them looking young and plump. And it also helps with firmness, which, you know, I'm 39 years old. We want all the firmness, all the tightening we could get. We want to keep it nice and tight and clean. So that's what we can enjoy. It also provides a lot of hydration. And then not only does it come with the diamond powder to help with the exfoliation, but it also includes vitamin E in the formula. And the vitamin E is really going to help nourish the lips, keep them soft and hydrated and plump. And so it's just a really beautiful combination of ingredients. Again, this is the Whispers of Guidance lipstick bow in green, which we absolutely love. We love it. We love it. And this is the color, the Bombshell, which I don't know about you guys, but I think it looks gorgeous. It's like a perfect nude with a hint of pink on my skin tone. I am absolutely loving this. I don't think that I mentioned this when I was unboxing it, but this bow retails for $225. The lipstick refills retail for $30, but that's what this goes for. I am in love, you guys, in love. The next limited edition bow that we are unboxing today is, again, the Wonder Woman 1984. My goodness. This is just stunning, stunning. Like, let's just start at the box. Like, all the colors, you already know Yachty's all about that, but it's just so beautiful. And it just says, you know, this one is a Wonder Woman 1984 collection, lipstick case and refill. So this is, again, a diamond powder satin finish lipstick as well. For the extra $25, you know, the green bow retails for $225. This one retails for $250, but it comes with the lipstick already included. So you're kind of getting a little bit of a bargain there as well. And let me show you what it looks like. It is just so, so beautiful, you guys. Yeah, it's just gorgeous. Like, the presentation is incredible. The lipstick also comes in this gold bullet so that we can pack it into the bow. It comes very securely attached in that box, which I love. And then you get the bow there. It's a white bow. The box does come complete with a certificate of authenticity as well as care instructions for the bow. So we love that. You know, same idea as the green bow. It comes in this little pouch as well. And oh my gosh, when you guys see this, you're gonna die. You're gonna die. It's so beautiful. There is the 1984 Wonder Woman bow. This is just incredible, you guys. It's so beautiful. Oh, I can't get over how beautiful this bow is. I was thinking about which one to get, and I was talking to my friend, hey, it's Jacqueline, as well as All Feisty, and they were just like, I'm like, I really like the white bow as well. And I already had the green one at the time, and I said, what would you guys go for? They have some pieces. And they said, you know, all the bows are absolutely stunning, but like the Wonder Woman bow is literally a work of art. And I'm so excited that I have this. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it with my lipstick. And there's the lipstick there. It's a beautiful red. Let me swatch it for you. I swatched both colors for you so that you guys could see. This is the Bombshell, and this one is in the shade Wonder Woman. Just beautiful. Let's go ahead and apply it. And here is Wonder Woman Red. It's the perfect blue toned red. I absolutely love it. Today when I'm filming, it's actually Christmas Eve morning. I just got off of live where I did a first impression on the Gucci foundation. But what a perfect color. I mean, what a perfect color. Okay guys, so I mean, what I can tell you is that I'm absolutely obsessed. I knew that I would be, and this is so bad because now I want every single bow in every color. I want every lipstick, and these are quite an investment. And that's the way that I look at it, really. It's the ultimate gift of luxury for yourself. You know, we work really hard. Sometimes we deserve a little treat. At 30% off, if you've been eyeing these House of Sillage lipsticks and lipstick cases, I feel like it's a great time to kind of dip your toes, purchase one or two if you'd like. It's the season of giving, so definitely maybe, you know, put a little bug in someone's ear to see if that's something that, you know, they can maybe pick up for you. So this was a short video, but I just wanted to, more than anything, talk a little bit about the formula, the brand, show you the details and the specs on the lipstick bow, give you some details that may help you when navigating through the site. I don't really know how long that sale is going for, but I just wanted to come on here and talk a little bit about it. As a whole, when I think about House of Sillage brand, I feel like they are just killing it when it comes to their social media. They're very, very active. They're very responsive to people that are interacting with them. And I just love that. You know, I love when a brand can really appreciate who their client base is, that can really interact with them, really make them feel good about the brand that they're investing their money into. I also love Nicole Mather, who's the CEO and founder of House of Sillage. Like, man, this lady is not only absolutely stunning, but she's very, very active on her socials. She interacts with everyone. She posts daily. She's always like, you know, just giving us some inspiration for life. So I definitely appreciate that. It is a luxe brand, you guys. It is an investment. I'm not going to, you know, pretend that like, you know, $250 for a lipstick bow is not up there, but it's a really special gift that you can, you know, maybe take your time, save your money to buy it. I do believe that they have Afterpay, which I always love that. Whether or not you decide to invest that kind of money into a brand or a lipstick case or a lipstick, I like the fact that they make it attainable for anyone. I do believe that luxury beauty should be something that if you're into it, if you'd like to experience it, you should have access to it in some way or another. So I really like that. I think that they're thinking about everybody, and that's always something that is so important to me. Kudos to them for making sure that everybody has access to just such a luxurious item. I think it's just incredible. I will say this lipstick here, this lipstick bow here too, is also just a very special lipstick bow for me because this was actually something I gifted myself when I reached 1,000 subscribers. So I thought that that was just so meaningful to me, just so special. I've worked really, really hard to get there this year. You know, as many of you know, as I started my channel in May, have worked really hard to accomplish that, and I just am so thankful to all of you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful, that if you were thinking about purchasing one of these lipstick bows, that you can go check it out. 30% off the site right now, 30% off the lipsticks. You know, these are how the shades look on me. I can tell you that they are very, very hydrating. They feel balmy, but they don't go anywhere. Like, they're not spreading anywhere. I applied this, like, you know, backstage, if you will, because this is an edited video. I applied this about 30 minutes ago and it still looks perfectly intact. So yeah, I mean, I have no complaints. I will continue to use these lipsticks. You know, I'm not the type to say, oh, you know, it was just, you know, a luxury item, I'm not gonna use it. No, I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna put the formula actually to the test. That's why I thought it was so important for me to get a nude, because that's really the go-to color for me every day. But I want to see, like, over prolonged use, like, is the diamond powder really doing something special on my lips? I'll definitely report on that. So House of Sillage, my goodness, you have hooked your girl in. You're reeling her in, because I love these so, so much. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, make sure and leave those down in the comments down below. If you have a favorite shade with House of Sillage, please leave that below, because I'd love to try that as well. So definitely thank you for your time. Make sure and give me a like if you like what you saw. Definitely subscribe, hit the notifications bell to all so that you're always notified of my future uploads. I am so happy about the community we're building. Thank you for following me on Instagram and Twitter. That means a lot. We can communicate a lot about makeup and new releases and all of that stuff. So I appreciate you all so much. I wish you nothing but the best as we get closer to the new year here. Have a great weekend, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!